I'm coming to the second part of the presentation. Here you can see that according to the type of work and gender for adults, the requirements of different food groups are given. You can see that it is given in terms of grams per portion. Suppose for woman it is 9 portion, that is it will be 270 grams. Similarly, if you look at green vegetables for woman, a sedentary woman, it is 1 portion or 100 grams. This is the same thing which is given for children also. So what you have to do is you have to collect the food history of a family in terms of food items, and you have to write the individual item wise in grams or in ml, and then you will get the total quantity. Like cereals, they are getting from both roti and from rice. You will write the food items there, individual item wise quantity there, like 100 gram of rice, 200 gram of roti, something like that, and total food item will be 300. So you will write your uh, food items list here by 24-hour recall. From that, you will get two things. First is the amount of foods item, and also you will get the nutrient from this table. It is from the NIN, nutritive value of Indian food book. So you will write the foodstuff here, you will write the quantity, and you have got a from the book you will get the amount of protein, iron, etc. in 100 gram of that. So you will be able to calculate the nutrients. So you will write the total consumption here. Then you will make two charts. This is for the food group wise. So for each of the person, serial number 1, 2, 3, etc., you will write the amount of items which is required by them. This is the required amount, and you shall write the total. You already have calculated the consumed, so you will make the balance as consumed minus required by required into 100. It will be the balance percentage. Similarly, you will do this thing for the nutrient wise also. Nutrient, you have already calculated the amount taken, and from here you will be able to calculate the amount which is required and just calculate the balance percentage. So thus you will get two bar diagrams, one for the intake and requirement of food groups with respect to the balanced diet, and one about the intake of food group according to the RDA of the nutrients. Okay. Besides, you will be also doing an anthropometric measurement of the underfed child. Here the records are given. You will also, for the adolescents, you shall measure the BMI. You can look at some clinical features like skin, nail, seborrheic etc. for under 5 children. For measurement of the adult persons, you will measure the BMI, the height, the weight, the waist ratio. Now, I am telling you something about the anthropometric measurements. All these are given in the book itself, so you can go through the books. Okay, so for weighing the child, it is a solder hanging machine which is used. Hang the scale freely from the hook, keep the dial at eye level, adjust the point as 0, and be very careful. We do not use this anymore because we have got more sophisticated machines, and avoiding the parallax error, you have to take the weight of the child. For measuring height, you will use something known as a stadiometer. You will make the person stand with the shoulder blades, buttocks, and heels touching the wall. You will measure the height and record that. For the babies, you have to measure the length of the baby, not the height of the baby. You will allow the baby to lie down on the infantometer, and you will fix the head and move the foot plate and give the recording. Also, measuring MUSC, you will measure it in the non-dominant hand. You will look at the tip of shoulder, look at the tip of elbow, measure the distance between 1 and 2 of these 2 points, Measure the arm circumference at midpoint with corrective tension, and measurement should be done in the non-dominant arm. Festive ratio is a very important tool for measuring of central obesity, while BMI measures obesity itself. And vestive ratio of more than 0.9 for males and 0.85 for females indicates central obesity. In Indian population, you will often get persons who are actually BMI may be normal, but vestive ratio may be deranged. That may be making this person more prone to develop insulin dependent uh, like diabetes mellitus, and also uh, uh, hyperlipidemia, ischemic heart disease, etc. Okay, so this that part is also completed with you. IYSA will be completed by Dr. Amrita Shamanto. We will get to learn about the breastfeeding and the complementary feeding practices of the children. So I'm completing my class here. Thank you.